are you today? I hope you are fine. Today, we will discuss about narrative text. Do you have any idea about narrative text? Well, before we explain what we mean by narrative text, you can watch this video.
Cinderella. Once upon a time, there lived a sweet little girl called Ella. Her mother had died when she was a child, and soon her father too died. She lived with her mean stepmother and her two proud stepsisters. They made Ella do all the housework. "Clean the chimneys, dust the cupboards, iron my clothes," they cried. The young girl was always covered in soot and dust. Hence she was called Cinderella. One day the prince invited all the girls in the kingdom for a ball in the castle. Everyone, including the two stepsisters, were very excited. Cinderella too wanted to go to the ball, but her sisters laughed at her. "Stay at home and scrub the floors," screamed her stepmother. The day of the ball finally came. The stepmother and stepsisters left Cinderella alone at home. She was so disappointed that she began to cry. Suddenly, she saw a shimmering light in the room. A woman with a kind smile and a wand stood in front of her. "Who are you?" asked Cinderella, surprised. The woman replied, "I'm your fairy godmother. I'll help you go to the ball. Now do stop crying." "But I have nothing to wear," sobbed Cinderella. "I can't go to the ball." The fairy godmother smiled. She touched a pumpkin and turned it into a grand carriage. With a wave of her wand, she changed 6 mice into 6 magnificent horses to pull the carriage, and another mouse into a footman. Finally, she changed Cinderella's rags into a beautiful dress. "There, now you look like a princess," she said to Cinderella. "But remember, you should come back home before 12 o'clock, for then the spell will be broken." Cinderella replied, "I won't forget. Thank you so much," and she went to the castle. Cinderella was the prettiest girl at the ball. Her stepsisters didn't even recognize her. All the other girls were very jealous because the prince danced with her the whole night. Cinderella had a wonderful time at the ball. However, the moment she heard the clock strike 12, she remembered the fairy godmother's words and ran away. In a hurry, she left one glass slipper on the castle steps. Now, the prince had fallen in love with her and wanted to find her. He said to his men, "Go to every house in the land. Find the girl whose foot fits into this glass slipper. She will be the one I'll marry." The king's men reached Cinderella's house. The two stepsisters tried hard to get their big feet to fit into the slippers, but in vain. Finally, Cinderella peeped out and said, "May I try as well?" To everyone's surprise, Cinderella's foot fit perfectly into the glass slipper. The prince and Cinderella were soon married in a grand ceremony. The wicked sisters never bothered her again.
Cinderella. Do you know the story? Okay, let us hear the narration about the story of Cinderella. Cinderella. Once upon a time, there was a little girl called Cinderella. She was pretty, loving, and clever. But she was very poor. She lived with her stepmother and stepsisters. They were very mean. They had Cinderella very much. Fortunately, she met a prince. He fell in love with her. Then Cinderella became a princess. Well, students, that's the narration of Cinderella. It's one of the example of narrative text. A narrative text is a text amuse, entertain, and deal with actual vicarious experience in different ways. Jadi, narrative text bertujuan untuk menghibur pembaca atau memberi efek senang pada akhir cerita. Atau dengan kata lain, tidak menuntut seorang pembaca untuk berpikir mendalam atau menganalisa. In narrative text, there is a lexical grammatical features. Pada narrative text, terdapat ciri-ciri ketatabahasaan. Yang pertama, focus on specific participant. Fokus terhadap partisipan subjek atau subjek yang dibicarakan. Yang kedua, adanya penggunaan material processes. Yang ketiga, adanya penggunaan relational processes and mental processes. Yang keempat, adanya penggunaan temporal conjunction and temporal circumstances. Dan yang kelima, adanya penggunaan past tense, yaitu penggunaan struktur bahasa dalam bentuk lampau. Ciri-ciri ketatabahasaan bisa dilihat pada contoh berikut. Pada narrative text, fokus terhadap partisipan subjek. Yang menjadi subjek pada cerita ini adalah Cinderella. Kemudian, pada cerita ini ada kata-kata call and leave yang disebut material processes. Adanya proses materi yang dilakukan oleh partisipan subjek. Dan terdapat juga kata were. Kata were ini merupakan to be yang digunakan dalam kalimat past tense. Contoh kalimat past tense lainnya dapat dilihat pada contoh berikut. Kata-kata material processes seperti had atau fell merupakan kata kerja kedua yang biasa digunakan dalam kalimat past time. Okay, my children. So far about narrative text. My students, in narrative text has generic structure. Generic structure adalah kerangka karangan. Kerangka karangan yang pertama adalah orientation. Kemudian ada evaluation, complication, resolution, dan yang terakhir yang merupakan kerangka karangan narrative text adalah reorientation. Orientation adalah tahap pengenalan, di mana yang dikenalkan adalah karakter dan setting, baik itu setting tempat atau setting waktu. Yang kedua yang merupakan kerangka karangan dalam narrative text adalah evaluation. Evaluation merupakan tahap yang mengungkapkan kembali partisipan subjek. seperti she was pretty, loving, and clever. She dalam kalimat ini adalah partisipan subjek utama, yaitu Cinderella. Kemudian ada complication. Complication merupakan tahap munculnya masalah. Yang keempat, yang merupakan kerangka karangan dalam generic structure adalah resolution. Resolution ini tahap penyelesaian. Masalah yang muncul pada complication akan terselesaikan atau terpecahkan pada tahap resolution. Dan yang terakhir yang merupakan kerangka karangan dalam narrative text adalah reorientation. Reorientation berisi tentang kesimpulan atau titik akhir mengenai cerita naratif teks. Okay students, do you understand so far about narrative text? If yes, you can continue the next lesson. But if you don't understand, please read again the material. That's all our discussion today. Thank you and goodbye.